Hey, welcome back to our channel, The Gospel According to Juan. I'm Juan. Thank you again for watching our videos this week. This week, again, we're still sheltering at home, still trying to make the most of it, trying to make the best of it. We were able to do a few different things this week, and one of the highlights was celebrating my sister Charlene's birthday. Unfortunately, we couldn't have a party like we normally would and invite friends and family to hang out, but we wanted to make it special and celebrate her on her day. Besides that, we try to hit the beach. The weather's changing a little bit here, so we're able to get a few more sunny days in before the rain. Make sure you click the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment down below, let us know what your favorite part was, and we hope you enjoy our video this week. Hey, it's Tuesday at 12 o'clock. Today is Taco Tuesday. They're still serving free tacos at Taco Bell. So we're gonna go grab some free tacos. And
I got a yawn of dandy.
Say it louder.
I got a yawn of dandy.
Did you eat it all already?
No.
No. Are you gonna share with Daddy?
Nice.
I'm gonna get the spicy the red spicy doughy bean.
Oh boy. Because you don't like those
And
ones?
the black licorice one.
Oh, that's the worst.
Spicy.
We also got a bag of we have a bag of bread crust from a while ago. We saved it to go feed the squirrels, so after we get some tacos we'll go find some squirrels and seagulls to feed. So let's go get some free tacos and head to the beach. Yeah, are you doing the free tacos today?
Yes, we are. The Doritos Loco Tacos.
Okay, 1 second. Okay, can I get 9 Dorito and 1 regular?
Okay, and so just so you know, we only do it for however many people are in the car.
Yeah, there's 10 of us in the car.
Okay. So how many Dorito ones?
9.
And then how many regular?
Just 1.
Okay, is there anything else for you today?
That's all, thank you.
All right, we'll see you at the window. Is there any sauce for your order?
No, thank you.
All right.
Pinch your nose.
Let me see. Pinch the nose.
Pinch the nose.
There you go. Too
Okay.
big for you. I hope you come back. Don't catch the virus. Eliana ran into Safeway real quick to get some water. We just got our free tacos. I go in, but I didn't wear any shoes. And I haven't taken a shower.
That took forever.
What was it like, Eliana? Was everybody wearing masks?
Mostly. Not everyone.
You have to disinfect before you come in here.
Sorry.
I got the bag. Oh yeah.
There's one right here.
Like that. Like that.
All right, we made it to South Beach.
I want to die in the water.
You can go in the water.
Okay.
The tide's way out, so it's far away though.
I'm gonna eat that water. Mom, I wish you could.
You're gonna drink it?
You go like that, man.
All right, we're at South Beach. Okay, I need everybody over here. I have a special announcement. Official news today. Summer camp is canceled. No.
Sure bet somebody $20.
No summer camp, no tween camp, no short combo, no long combo. Huh? How did you know that yesterday? How did you know that yesterday? Huh?
Oh, that camp is canceled.
How did you know? Oh, that's cold. That's cold, no.
I know. Hey, Dad. So earlier, I stepped on my heel or heavy fish. A little
Here
slimy.
comes a wave.
I want to swim in this, but the waves are too big to swim.
You can just stand right up.
Oh, I want to swim.
Ooh, do it.
It's just so cold.
Hey, look at I don't know how the hot feels. I have no idea how the hot feels.
The beach.
That is Hey, get it too.
That's on my eye. A ladybug.
on it.
Where'd it go?
She's about to roll. And a boo.
Don't do that.
Mommy's crying.
No, he's not.
Yes, she is. I love you. Was there anything good in the mail today?
I don't care about. I don't care.
Yeah, you do.
Not.
Looking good, Eddie. Good job. Serious face. No smiling for the camera here.
Working hard.
Dude.
Don't do that. I made that.
Can he play with it?
No, I've done it.
He's not going to eat it. Can you give him something to play with? Hi, Judah. You want to play with the dragon?
A nice jacket. It had yarn in it.
It looks like a mean dragon.
No, Harry bought it. Then, not mean.
Hey, it's Thursday, just after lunch. We're playing with some water balloons. We're gonna play a game real quick to see who can win some money. Hannah, a friend of ours, shipped us some water balloons from Amazon, so we're filling them up, and then we're gonna play a quick game.
Daddy.
All right, I'm gonna give the kids a chance to win $4. So you have to have a partner. So partner up. Nice catch, mommy.
Mom, I got mine.
Oh my god.
All right, mommy and Jessa win. Here's your prize money. $4.
And we
We lost. Nice and easy, nice and easy. You do it again? Do it again.
Let's do it again.
Hi, dude. You did it. Josiah caught it. Good catch, Ezekiel. Good throw, Ezekiel. No! Josiah. Bad throw. All right, we're going to play one more game. Everybody has some crepe paper scarves and 5 balloons. After all the balloons are popped, whoever has the driest scarf is the winner. Okay, everybody ready? On your mark. Set. Go. Why are you ganging up on Stay out of the gravel. Mommy won that one. Go. today is National Pinata Day, so Emily made a pinata, and we are gonna go outside and hang it up in a tree, find a place to hit it, and see what surprises are inside. It's Saturday at about 7. We just finished dinner a little while ago, so let's go have fun with pinata.
Oh, it's a pretty stable pinata. Mom. Pretty strong pinata.
I told you I sit up there.
Okay.
Good job.
I do! Daddy!
Hey, it's 9 o'clock on Sunday morning, and today is my sister Charlene's birthday, so we're gonna surprise her and deliver some donuts. Emily's working on some donuts this morning. We also have a special dinner planned for her, so we'll work on that later today. And hope she has a good day, even though she has to have a birthday and during shelter at home. Pretty sad birthdays for everybody who has a birthday during this time. But again, we try to make the best of it. Try to make the most of it. Oh, that looks yummy. Is it good? Yum, yum. You have a donut yet, Elijah?
One, yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah. You got it.
Looks like you.
Why not?
What does it say? What does it say? Happy birthday. All right, we're headed to Auntie Charlene's house. I'm gonna pick up some flowers on the way and wish her a happy birthday, a shelter at home birthday. Don't touch her. She might have the virus.
I'll take it.
She looks like she has the virus. I can tell from here. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Air hugs.
Oh my gosh. Looky.
I didn't have time to cut it all the way.
Thank you. Oh, yay. You gave me a coronavirus. Lee,
Here, let me see it on the camera here.
next year you'll get a real hug. Happy birthday. I love it.
And we got you your own orchid. Don't kill it, please.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Ezekiel.
Say it again, nice and loud.
Josiah, you
Happy birthday.
Josiah touched her.
He's got the virus now.
I don't have the virus. I have an orchid.
She has.
She has the orchid virus.
All right, we'll bring
Bye.
dinner later.
See you later.
All right, we just finished dinner. I'm gonna deliver it real quick to Charlene. She's got some cupcakes and. Say hi, Judah. Hi. And some tri-tip, some bacon wrapped asparagus, and mac and cheese. All right, made it. Didn't spill anything, I hope. Knock, knock. Dinner time. Well, there's another week on the Gospel According to Juan. Thank you again for watching. Again, like you saw in the video, trying to make the best of it. Most of our days are just running into each other. Some days we don't even know what day of the week it is. It's important to maintain some type of routine just to alleviate those mental health issues and those different emotions that can rise to the surface during this time is a challenge. But get out there, enjoy the sun, get to the beach if you can, help somebody throughout the week if you can. Maintaining that physical distance, it will build you up and build the other person up and combat those feelings of depression or loneliness or isolation. It definitely help in the long run. So thank you again for watching our videos. Remember, we post new videos every Monday, so we'll see you next Monday.